What's up Y2, this is your boy DJ Y and I'm back with one and only Jim Jones. So in today's video I want to show you Jimmy brings out his son to Playboi Carti show. Check this out the video, come on.
See Twin over there prepping. See my twin over there?
The white ceramic. You're sitting like crazy.
Yup. Double card. See that MOB, nigga? See that big BL in that MOB? Look at my young boy right there. Look at my nigga.
Bro, last night's Rolling Loud was elite, man. It was crazy show. So guys, it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe Y2, get notification bells, and visit hiphop2y.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit Y2B. Just keep it going.